Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Let's get started. This is another addition to my Chicago collection. This could be the final one because I need to take a break from 134 scale stuff. Running out of room. So this came from the same guy that I got the fire engine from. Alright, so as you can see, it's a first gear model. Oh no. Well, I got paint marker on myself and on the box. Oh well. Alright, let's open the box. If I can. There we go. There's the top of it. Alright. Open this up. Voila! There it is. A side loader garbage truck with a blue garbage can, which we do not have. Well, we do have blue garbage cans, but they're not garbage, they're recycling. So cool as a little accessory. Now let me show you guys something. Yeah, this could be zinc rot or something, but it is a easy fix. No, not to worry. Yeah, the bumper came off, the pieces came off, so it's pretty much a broken truck, but it's an easy fix. I'm not worried about it, you know. I just want to add this truck to the collection, broken or not. Alright, a lot more pieces than I thought though. Got a lot of work to do. And again, not to worry. The seller explained it in the description that it's broken. So, and I'm not concerned about it because it's a pretty simple fix. Alright, so that's the update of the model. Got a lot of gluing to do. Got probably to buy some metal rods to strengthen the chassis. So yeah, I got a lot of work to do. And this is the second garbage truck I added to my collection. The first one is right here. It's a 1950s Mack rear loader. The reason why I didn't do an unboxing video, well, I did do an unboxing video. I didn't post it because, one, it came out blurry. And another reason, I kind of forgot to scratch off my address on the label. And that is a huge no-no when you're doing an unboxing video. So remember, when you do an unboxing video, make sure your address is nowhere to be found, as you do not want a random person showing up at your door. So yeah, that's the update for this collection. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I gotta get to work. Hello guys, and here's the update video of the Mack Side Loader in the City of Chicago Streets and Sanitation livery. It's a couple weeks later, and I repaired the chassis Well, you can't see it because it's a little dark, but the reason why the chassis was broken, I should say, is it suffered what they called zinc rot, or a metal corrosion. It affected a lot of models that was made between 2005 to 2010. Probably some metal impurities that probably caused it, but yeah. So what I did, I glued the pieces back together, and it's still holding up currently. But if the truck falls apart, I might have to buy another Mack truck or another garbage truck and put the chassis onto this one. Still, I forgot to fix the ladder. Overall, it's in good shape. This piece right here is broken, as you can see, but I don't mind it because I don't use this function that often anyway. Also, I forgot to include in the unboxing video, it came with 2 light blue carts. Now, the city does not have these color carts. Garbage carts are black and recycling carts are dark blue, or darkish blue I should say, but it's a gray add-on to this model. So yeah, that's the update for this side loader garbage truck. There is another garbage truck coming soon as in Tuesday, but it's not a City of Chicago truck. It's a private company that was recently purchased by a bigger garbage company, but their trucks are still around, and you'll find out what company I'm talking about when I do an unboxing video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this update added on to the unboxing video. Yeah, see you guys next time.